Just today I received the MacBook Pro 2020 that I ordered, and I'm going to be unboxing it and giving my first impressions. So this is the 4 Thunderbolt 3-port model of the laptop. And by the way guys, before this I had a Windows laptop, and before that I had a 2011 MacBook. So that MacBook was getting old, so I got a Windows laptop, but I didn't really like it. So now I got a Mac again, and we're going to be unboxing it. And I still have my Windows desktop, so I'm not fully switching to Mac, but I'm using this laptop as my main laptop, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so let's unbox this thing. So there's this little peel tab thing that they include. Anyways, let's open this. Look at that. MacBook Pro. Wow. So this is what the box looks like. I got the space gray color, and yeah, there's nothing else in here, so. Okay, now let's break the seal on this thing. So actually, I think they have a little thing here to do it. Oh, that's nice and satisfying. Okay. Okay, now let's lift up the box. Wow, okay. Here we go. We got it. So before I fully take off the plastic on this, or the whatever is covering it, and open that, let's look at what accessories we get right in the box. So we get, I believe we get an Apple logo sticker, and this sticker is the same color as the MacBook, so it matches. That's nice. And some other instructions and stuff in here. We get, of course, the charger right here, and we get the brick, which is, I'm not sure how many watts this is, but let's take this off. This is 61 watts. So, yeah. Okay, now let's go ahead and open the actual Mac. And I don't believe there's anything else in here. Okay. So, oh man. Yeah, that's really satisfying. And the Mac is, like, right off the bat, it's pretty light. I'm not sure how many pounds exactly this is, but like I said, guys, this is the 4 Thunderbolt 3-port model, so it's the higher end one, which means it has extra USB-C ports. So normally the lower end one has 2, but this one has the extra 2 on the other side. And the higher end 4 Thunderbolt 3-port model also has better speakers, a newer CPU, so instead of 8th generation, it's the 10th generation CPU, and it also has an extra fan for better cooling. So yeah, I believe those are the main differences. There may be some other small ones, but those are the main ones. And let's just go ahead and open this thing up. Ooh. Nice little cover. And the Apple logo automatically turns on. Okay, so now I'm going to set up the MacBook, and we're going to do some tests and see how it is. Okay guys, so finally I'm done setting up the Mac and it looks amazing. So let's go ahead and first let's just try a little bit of typing. So, let's just go that. I have to say that keyboard feels quite amazing actually. I actually really like it. I'm really happy that I didn't buy last year because they switched to the scissor switch keys, which if you don't know what that means, basically they switched the type of keys on previous Macs to a key where you can't really feel yourself clicking it. There's very little feedback because it's very down low and there's almost no key travel. So they switched it back this year and it feels really great, so I'm really happy about that. So the keyboard is definitely amazing. So by the way guys, the trackpad is also, it feels like really amazing. I believe MacBooks have the best trackpad on the market of like all laptops pretty much. So the trackpad, yeah, it feels really great and it's really big, so I'm really happy about that. So also you can see there are some bezels here on the laptop. They're not huge, but they're like minor bezels, so that's something to think about, I guess. And also let's just test the camera and the speakers. So I've heard that Macs have pretty bad cameras, and yeah, it seems the camera I believe is 720p, so it's not amazing, but it'll do the job. I personally don't need a super good camera because I'm probably just going to be doing some, Zoom calls and stuff, so it's not extremely important to me. But also, I'm going to test the speakers. Okay, let's go ahead and test the speakers here. So let's just to the top of the app with people that you chat with frequently, so that you don't have to scroll a lot to get to them. You can also tell you the best new features to look forward to. So those speakers actually sound really great. I have to say the speakers actually sound phenomenal. Like number one, they go really loud actually, and they just sound really great. What could I say? But anyways, that's pretty much the laptop. Now I'm going to install all the apps I need and stuff and really set it up and customize it. And I'm probably going to be making more videos about the Mac as well, so definitely let me know down below in the comments if you want more videos about like Mac tips and apps and stuff like that. And also, if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you leave a like, and also if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.